This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web, great pricing and customer service. Contract the discount once signed up with an account. Link in description below.
So your new parker on there, Miss Molly? Huh? Your new coat on? Today's Sunday, November 24th, 2019. This lady here is calling me. She got no heat. She called me last night. I told her I'd go out in the morning if she wanted me to. I mean, she got no heat in the house. I called her this morning. It's down to 55. She's got hot water but no heat. I know she's got a Walmart McLean gas boiler there with zone valves, so I'm thinking it's probably a circulator issue or some kind of relay issue maybe. She has Honeywell zone valves there, so we'll go by there and see what's going on. She says she has hot water. I believe that's a storage tank. So looking very stylish today, Miss Molly. I went and bought her a whole bunch of clothes that fit her at Petco. A bunch of coats and sweaters. Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots. Rainy day today, yeah. The old rainy day. We got no hot water. The hot water's out too. It's definitely running. All those zones are calling. She probably had stored water in a tank. Circulator's kind of a little warm, but nothing crazy. But yeah, it's not firing up. I think I have changed that hot surface igniter before. To get my tools, we'll see what's going on with it. She's not firing up, Mama. I want to see what that hot surface igniter looks like. That's a flame sensor in there. Clean that too. We'll take a look at that. That could be our issue. It's a possibility. Be careful, you know. Break that. See how it's got a white spot on it? It's possible. I think I might have changed that before in the past. Might be a bird down inside the vent pipe. Be careful you don't break it. Very delicate. Let's turn it on and see what happens here. Let's see if it glows. It's got a zone valve, so it should take a minute to call. Some clip there. Six volts going in, 26 coming out. Alright, so the vacuum switch is not an issue. Check this rollout switch. 26. That rollout switch is fine. The hot surface ignite is bad. Betcha. Maybe the ignite is bad. We'll put our probes in here and we'll run it through a cycle and see if it gives me voltage. Alright, so we got that there. We got that on volts. When it goes through a cycle, it should give me 110. So we got the red power coming in, which is normally closed. And then this should have power coming out to this yellow. Once I run it, if I got power coming out this yellow, I know the vacuum switch is good. And I got the COM in here. I got 26 volts, so I'm good there. I know the vacuum switch part's good. That's fine. I know the vacuum switch is pulling in, so alright guys, we got a bad board here. I got my meter right here. We got 24 volts coming into this. We got 110 coming in on the red. And we got nothing going out on the flame sensor. Hear it click? And nothing going out to the flame sensor. So it's a bad board controller. Now I don't know if I got a cross for this thing. I got other ones in the truck, but I don't know if I can cross it. I'll have to mark the numbers down and see if the boards I got will work. Alright, so I got the model, the White Rogers model number right there. We'll go see if we got something that we can match it up in the truck. Alright, so what do we got there? White Rogers. This is the one. 50E747. That's the one I need right there. And I got another one here, universal one, but that should be the one I need right there. Right there, White Rogers 50E47. That's the one. So, we got the part we need. Hello. I wrote everything down the way it's marked on the unit, so I know there's only one screw holding it there. I should be able to unscrew it, take it right out. The ground is what's holding it. I got it off right now. It's important that you get that thing's grounded right. See, this other one sometimes can be tricky to install. Ground, 24-volt ground, valve ground, 24-volt ground will be this, right? It's gonna go 24-volt ground. Yellow, which is the 24 volts. Right. And then the burner ground is that green one I had. That green one I had is the burner ground, which is this. One's L1. That one's going to be the black. What's on L1 is the black. That's power coming in, power going out. Power coming in and power going out. Can get complicated on this shit sometimes. Okay, we got them two. And then the only other thing we gotta do is the flame sensor. Yeah, because this one don't got any commons. This one don't have any commons. The only other flame sensor is this one here that we have to disconnect. I'll put the flame sensor in there, so we should be able to ground it, and that should take care of That should work. We'll hook up the ground and the electrical, and we should be able to fire it up. That should work. Hopefully. Like I said, I wrote everything down the way it was. It's a little bit different. Let's see, that should take care of it. Glowing red there. Okay. And it should click and I should get 24 volts in the gas valve. Got my 24 volts, but it's not firing. Oh, there it goes. Should shut right off. We got a problem with the flame sensor with this board. Houston, we have ignition. That flame sensor connection wasn't in all the way, so about 25 volts there. We had a bad board. That's what it was. Before I disconnected everything, I wrote everything down on the paper here, and then you have to go by, you know, see exactly what these markings are, and then you're gonna find it on the other control and plug it in. And when in doubt, a lot of times you gotta read the instructions on the crossover. It can be a real pain in the butt. But that's what the problem was. It would go through the vacuum cycle through the and I had power coming in, but nothing was going to the hot surface igniter. So once I put the new one in and started it up, I had to make sure that that sensor was on there, had a good connection on there, and she's running. 112419 new control module.